Today we're doing a screen replacement for our iPhone 11 screen. As you can see, this screen is pretty toast. It looked like all the damage resonated. Started from over here and it simply just spread it out all over into the screen. I ain't gonna waste no more time. Let's get right into it. Alright, so it looks like somebody has definitely been in this screen before because of how easy it was to pop it. Usually in most cases you would need a heat gun or something like that, but we just opened it. So now let's get into the screen itself. Alright, so now we're gonna disconnect the three connectors that connect to the screen. So 1, 2, and 3. Now, in most cases, you're supposed to remove the ear and speaker from the other screen and put it to this one. But just for demonstration purposes, I'm just using a screen from another iPhone 11 that I have. So let's get right into it though. All right, we got all the screens in, so now let's try it out. Boom. All right, we got the new screen in, y'all. So now we're just gonna connect all the screws back in together, or at least most of them, because you know I ain't trying to do all that. Just being honest with you. All right, we got the screws right back in. So now we just gonna close. And this is my favorite part. Just gonna hear that crunch. You wanna close all around the phone. So, yep, boom, boom, boom. And this is the final part right here. All right, and the phone screen has been replaced. Yep, I know it's dead, but you get the picture. Thanks for watching.